In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive Mail ID. This process is straightforward and will help you keep your account organized. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots. Click on this icon to reveal a menu of Google services. This is important because it gives you quick access to your Google account settings. Once you click the icon, you will see a list of apps including Drive, Docs, and more. This will help you navigate easily to your account settings. Next up, after you click the Google Apps icon, you will need to click on the Account option. This action will take you to your Google account page. From this page, you can manage various aspects of your account, including security, personal information, and more. It's a central hub for all your Google-related settings. Ensuring you are in the right section is crucial for making the necessary changes. From there, look for the Personal Info option on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will direct you to the section where you can view and edit your personal details. This area is important because it allows you to manage your email address, name, and other key information. Ensuring your personal information is accurate is essential for account recovery and communication. Now, find and click on the Email section. This is where you will see your current email address associated with your Google account. It's important to keep this updated to ensure you receive important notifications and updates. When you click on this section, it will lead you to more options regarding your email settings. Next, click on Google Account Email. This action will bring up options related to your email address specifically. You will either see your current email address or an option to change it. Understanding this section is crucial because it sets the stage for the email change process. If you see an edit or pencil icon or a link that says Change Google Account Email, your account is eligible for this change. Proceed to the steps below if this is the case. This eligibility is significant because it indicates that your account settings allow for an email update. If you see these options, you are in good shape to continue with the process. If, however, the message says you can't change this address, your account may not support this feature. This is often true for school or workspace accounts. If you encounter this message, skip to the Alternative Workaround section. Understanding this limitation helps manage your expectations and directs you to alternative solutions. Next, if your account is eligible, click on the Edit icon or the Change Google Account Email link. This is where the actual change begins. Clicking this will open a new prompt or field where you can enter your new email address. This step is crucial because it is the gateway to updating your account details. At this point, you may be prompted to re-enter your password for security validation. This is a standard procedure designed to protect your account from unauthorized changes. It may seem like an extra step, but it's essential for securing your personal information. Follow the prompt and enter your password as required. Now, enter your new desired username, which is the text before the @gmail.com. Ensure that your new username is something you want to use long-term. This choice matters because it affects how others contact you and how you identify your account. Take a moment to think about this, as it will represent you in Google services. Finally, confirm the prompt. After entering your new username, you will see a confirmation message. Your old email address will automatically shift to an alternate alias. This means you will still receive any messages sent to your old address, but your Drive will display the new ID. This reassurance is key as it ensures you won't miss any important communications during this transition. Now you have successfully changed your Google Drive Mail ID. Thank you for following along and enjoy your new email address.